Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off USB storage access in WhatsApp step by step. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, unlock your phone and open the settings of your device. So this process depends on whether you are using the Android 12, 13 or above, but the steps are almost the same. So here in the settings of your device, simply just scroll down and tap on the option of apps. Here in the apps, tap on the option of app management. Over here, use the search bar on the top and type WhatsApp. Once you find the WhatsApp application, simply tap on it in order to come in the app info of your WhatsApp account. Over here, tap on the option of permissions. In the permission, you need to look for the option of storage or files or media. Sometimes it is just outside of the permissions options. As you can see, in my device, the storage usage is here, but in your device, it might be in the permissions. So here in the permissions, when you see the media or the file option, simply just tap on it. Then the Android version is going to show you two different options like allow all, allow limited access or don't allow. So to turn off the USB storage file access, simply tap on the option of don't allow. This is going to remove the WhatsApp permissions to read or write the files through your phone's storage system, including anything accessed through the USB. Next, you need to back out the main settings page and here tap on the option of privacy. Here in privacy, tap on the option of permission manager and then select the option of files and media once again. Now make sure that WhatsApp is set to not allowed so that it can't interact with the files when your phone is connected to USB. Now once you have done it, simply restart your phone so that all of the permissions changes apply properly. Once it boots back up, WhatsApp will no longer have access to the USB based storage or the internal media folders. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.